Hello friends, welcome back to the Technician channel. So friends, today I will talk about ZOWIE XL2546X Plus Esports gaming monitor. So friends, ZOWIE has launched the XL2546S Plus, an esport-oriented gaming monitor that integrates fast DA panel technology with DyAc motion blur reduction as part of the XL X Plus series that increase the refresh rate from 240Hz to 280Hz and offering smoother gameplay and reduced input lag, and the monitor utilizes advanced fast DA panel to achieve high refresh rate and faster response time, which are essential for competitive gaming. And additionally, its featured DyAc2 technology and enhanced motion blur reduction system that employ dual backlight with precise control to minimize motion blur and ghosting, and the monitor also an auto game mode through the XL setting to save software and which automatically adjusts color mode based on different gaming scenarios and ensuring optional visual performance without the need for manual adjustment. And it features a high adjustable design with industrial grade bearing allowing precise positioning without stutter or drift, and this engineering enables players to quickly optimize their setup in the esport arena and enter a focused competitive state. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.